Okay, this funky thing is called Babylon. So we're gonna walk around it and kind of show you a little context. Rocks Hotel, bridges. Bridge goes to Taipa. There's a few bridges. There's a science center over there. There's cultural center, Macau Cultural Center, and then we're gonna walk down Fisherman's Wharf in a minute, and I'll show you more about it. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here's Babylon. So I think we're gonna walk around the more interesting side first, and we'll just kind of see where we can go from there. But it's kind of interesting architecture. And this is in Fisherman's Wharf, which is not too far from the ferry terminal itself, and has some pretty cool looking design. So let's just kind of check it out. Beautiful trees. And this is all in an area called Fisherman's Wharf. So let's just keep checking it out. And it's next to the Rocks Hotel, which is this one right here. There's a waterfront over here, and there's a place called Africana, which is now closed. But this Babylon, I believe, is definitely a casino, and it might be a hotel too. We'll just see. Just knocking out and see if it's hollow. Some of the stuff is really hollow, and some of it's like easily chipped and things like that. This is the, looks like they have a Babylon casino buffet. And there's Africana, so I did a video about Africana recently. And then this one, Babylon, is I don't want to go in because usually they won't let me in, for one, because these smaller casinos like this usually go right into the gambling area, and I can't bring a camera in it. So I'll just kind of show you the outskirts instead, and kind of show you this neighborhood a little bit. But yeah, it says Babylon Casino, so it's basically gambling, I believe. Pretty cool building though. Some express convenience store they're building. And on the other side is this facade that there's a lot of different stuff going on in this Fisherman's Wharf. So I'm going to focus on this one, but also kind of let you know about the other stuff around it. So this particular one has a New Orleans kind of feel, so we'll definitely show you that in a minute too. Oh, this one has karaoke, and it has some shrine stuff too. So yeah, this kind of has more like a New Orleans kind of look. Huh. You can see a reflection of the window bouncing back. It's like black, but then up top it's more like mirrors. Flamingo Casino is right next to it. So we're gonna walk a little bit more into that in a minute, but I just kind of want to show you some of the other stuff too. Looks like they're having something with kids today. So yeah, they basically have all these different facades that go all the way down, and then since Babylon's our focus, but I just want to show you this kind of New Orleans look as well. We might actually do some stuff with that later as well, separate one. But let's focus on Babylon. Welcome to Babylon Casino. No mention of a hotel. Next to Flamingo Casino. And let's just kind of walk around a little bit more. There's a skyway that connects Flamingo to Babylon. It looks like this whole area had a lot of potential. Had a lot of imagery that seemed like it would all work well, but for some reason it hasn't. And I've heard different things about it, but I don't really know the real reason or not. Oh wow. In the past there used to be these cords that were kind of like dangling, but they're removed now. Here's another hotel. This one is I forget the name, Harborview, I think, Harborview Hotel. I have a separate video about that one already as well. And yeah, this one, Praha Restaurant, a Harborview Hotel, Praha Restaurant. There's like a... Okay, so we're just gonna end this video in a minute. We'll just kind of walk through it and just see we can see in this area. Yeah, kind of cool. Let's see. What are these things? Oh, little lights. Okay, yeah, nighttime this is all lit up with lights. So okay, that's what that's all about. Okay, I think we're just gonna maybe just go around the corner, see what's there. I think we're gonna see Grand View Hotel, but we'll find out when we find out. And okay, that's the Babylon. I haven't been inside that, but you have to do a health check and passport, and I think now they did some kind of COVID test to go into casinos, so I'm not even gonna try. But that's what it looks like. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.